big eraser. Just like that. Now he needs a good clean sock. And if you're doing your car or truck or something that's a little bit more important, just put a small coat of wax on it and it takes it right off. But not really worried about this. So just like that, it's pretty simple. Alright, good morning. I just got quite a bit of little stuff I'm going to try to get done today. And this is going to be one of them. But I'm going to put this up for sale. And I'm going to try to get that strobe light working. And pretty much got everything clean on it. Yeah, I don't know if you guys ever seen inside of one of these, but it is a nightmare. Yeah, it's kind of crazy how just a bunch of relays, solenoids, and stuff that runs all this. And okay, that's see, I think that was plugged into something there at one time. Not sure what, but let's see if figure out what's what. Nola's down there crying. Well, that one's hot right out of the gate, so I think I'm going to just tighten this key switch. Well, yeah, I think I'm gonna go right at there. I'll go right there. Man, that little dude is tight. Man, I don't know if I ever get back that tight. I didn't think it would be that tight. No. Yeah. Might be fine. I'll leave it a little loose for a minute. I'll see which way I want to take this. We'll just run it right behind that because that looks like it's pretty good. Right behind that one. Go ahead and drop it behind all them 14 million thousand wires. Jack is out there barking at something. Okay, I think I like that. I'm gonna tighten this up so I don't forget. Okay, see what I did. Both of them are male ends, so I'm gonna cut that off, put a female end on it. So other than that, ain't been bad so far. One screw up, so one wire, one screw up. Okay, hopefully keys all switches off. That's a little better. Definitely a tight fit. Alright, I'm going to double check it one more time for power. Make sure ain't screwed nothing up too bad. Oh, yep. hopefully it works. Well, and then according to that, it's going to be the white one. Okay, power's on. Stop button's off. Start button's on. Keys off. Oh man, I did it again. I did. So I gotta go cut this apart. Yeah, that's kind of sucky doing that twice. Like that. Okay, keys on, switches out. Oh, sorry, keys off, switches out. There we go. So, and stop switch is in. And stop switch is out. Key off. And that's for the boom. Okay, I think that'll work. One thing off my list. Alright, I'm gonna wash this thing off a little bit, get them leaves off of it, and we already got it posted online. I got quite a few pictures of it. That storm just come through, and I washed it real quick. I didn't have the boom out or up. Still a few leaves underneath the hood there, but I'm gonna try to clean it up a little bit more. Okay, got it pretty well clean. And got all debris and leaves, but it wasn't bad because it sat underneath the lean-to. So I'm gonna double check the oil on it, but I'm gonna back it up a little bit, get it a little bit more level, and check the oil. I think it's good because I checked it before I fired it up first time this spring. So, and I ain't did nothing with it, poured it out and cleaned it up a little bit. So, all right. So I'm gonna get this end piece put back on. So see, there's pretty clean now. But that thing, this thing only got one bolt in it. It's pretty. It just hooked over the top of it. It's got one bolt down here in it, so. Yeah, that's actually, when I bought this, that bolt ain't supposed to have a nut back there, but I'm not sure if anybody ever took that off before, but it was rusted in and I broke the bolt off, so I just had to drill it out. Okay. So this thing's done. Suck it back in there, and actually I got a couple trees I'm gonna cut down. Hopefully I get time before it sells, but if it sells, I'll deal with the trees later.